Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, and in this video, I'm going to be making sure that your VPN is working properly. I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. So firstly, if you don't already have a VPN, you have to get one, alright? And I highly recommend going with Pure VPN. If you use Pure VPN and you use my link in the description, you could save substantial amounts of money if you do the 1-year plan or the 2-year plan. So if you don't already have a VPN, check out the link in the description for my Pure VPN link that will save you a boatload of money. I've talked in the past about why a paid VPN is much better than a free VPN. Free VPNs will oftentimes sell your data for money. You don't want that occurring. Pay a little bit of money, get the paid version of a VPN because that is what's going to have the most protection for your privacy. So once you have a VPN, or if you already have a VPN, let's start the tutorial, right? What do? Firstly, you're going to go whatismyipaddress.com. Pretty straightforward name. What is myipaddress.com, all right? And when you go here, make sure your VPN's off. When you go here, you're going to have a screen pop up that is going to show you your actual IP address and your location. The location may be off a little bit, so if it's a town or two off, it doesn't really matter, but it's going to show your general location, okay? And the reason I don't have it up on the screen right now is so I don't show my location and my IP address, okay? So you're going to know that. You're going to know where your town is, right? You know where you live, or roughly where you live, the roundabout area, okay? Then what you do is you're going to go into the Pure VPN app, which if you use my link in the description, you'll have, or if you're using a different VPN, that's cool too. And what you do is you simply connect your VPN. Very simple, very fast, very quick, very fast with Pure VPN. I've had great results with them. So it's saying, it's putting my location in Houston, US, roughly, and I don't live there. I don't live anywhere close to there. What you do next, pretty simple. You go to whatismyvpn.com, you reload the page. Reload the page, you're gonna go up, and it is going to have the location that it thinks you're at. So you can see it has me at near Texas. It's never going to be exact. It's never going to be exactly there, but more or less, I'm not here. See, it thinks I'm in Dallas, Texas right now. It thinks I'm in Dallas, Texas. That's what is my VPN thinks. I live nowhere near Texas. I'm being real with you. I don't live anywhere near Texas. So that's how you make sure that your VPN is working properly. You're going to go onto the website without your VPN. Make sure it actually detects roughly where you are, the roundabout area, okay? Put on your VPN, reload the website, and if it tells you you're in an area you're not actually in, that's the simplest way to do it. You could also go by using the IP address if you know your actual IP address. I could do a video on that in the future, but this is the simplest way. I don't live anywhere near Dallas, Texas, and that is where this website thinks I am. That is where all websites are going to think I am. So very simple, very straightforward. Once again, if you already have a VPN, you could just use that. If you don't have a VPN yet, I highly recommend using Pure VPN with the link in the description. If you use that link, I think you can save like 60% if you do the 2-year deal. Really great deal with them. Don't miss out on that. It will not last forever. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a great day.